Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into the town of Old Harbour. Now Old Harbour is one of the largest towns in Jamaica and it's located in the parish of St. Catherine. Now there are many persons who say St. Catherine is the largest parish in Jamaica, but officially it's listed as St. Anne. But St. Catherine is a very large parish and it also has a very large population. You find towns like Old Harbour, Linstead, Portmore in St. Catherine. So we are on the Old Harbour main road driving into the town of Old Harbour. Old Harbour is it's one of the few towns that don't actually have a bypass. They were building an Old Harbour bypass back in the day, but they decided to use that piece of land for the highway. So sometimes the traffic to go through Old Harbour can be tedious, but luckily it's flowing freely today. Now if we were to turn right here, we'd go into like the residential part of Old Harbour, where you have a lot of homes, a lot of communities, a lot of residential areas. But we're on the main road going into the actual town, and we're just on the outskirts. You could actually say we're on the outskirts of the town now. Now if you're driving from Kingston to say Mandeville and you're not going on the highway, this is the route you would have to take. From Spanish Town you'd have to take Old Harbour Road all the way to from Spanish Town you take Old Harbour Road all the way to the Old Harbour Town, go through the town and then drive from the Old Harbour Town to Maypen, all on these roads, which I guess you could say were the original roads. This was the main road before the highways were built. Maypen has a bypass and Mandeville has a bypass, but Old Harbour doesn't have a bypass, so we just have to go through the traffic or go on the highway. And when you're on the highway, that's the PJ Patterson Highway or Highway 2000 east-west leg, you have an exit for Old Harbour from the main road. You have a Old Harbour exit, you have a Maypen exit, and the road is being extended now, the highway, so we'll soon have a Mandeville exit. So as you can see, we just have to bear with the traffic. There isn't really much we can do. It's a weekday, about 3:30 in the afternoon. So this is what the traffic is like. Old Harbour is a very developed town. You have banks, you have a tax office, you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of supermarkets, especially because there is a very large residential population around Old Harbour. You even have a campus for a university over here, so it's a very busy place, and it's also a major transportation hub. Recently a piece of the market caught on fire and they turned that part into a transportation hub. As you can see, the traffic goes both ways, but we just have to bear with it. There isn't really much we can do. Alright guys, well, enjoy the tour as we go through Old Harbour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.